Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's my second day here in Vietnam. So, it's 6:40 na. No? So, ang agenda ko for today is mag-Mekong River kami at saka yung Cu Chi Tunnel. Actually, papunta na yung bus daw. Kaka-text lang ngayon na papunta na daw yung bus. So, susunduin nila ako dito sa hotel. So, by the way guys, binook ko to sa Klook. Nasa around 2,400 yung cost niya. Pero both na Cu Chi Tunnel yon tsaka yung Mekong River. And actually, hindi pa nga ako ganun nakatulog kasi hindi talaga ako makatulog. Ewan ko ba, parang namamahay ako dito. No? Tapos, nakatulog na yata ako mga 3 a.m. Tapos nagising din ako or nag-alarm ako ng 5:40. By the way, joiner yon. Nag-book ako joiner sa may mga makakasama ko. So sana, yung mga makakasama ko guys, mga marunong din mag-picture. No? Pero, more of siguro video yung gagawin natin or vlogging kasi nga, Cu Chi Tunnel, parang wala naman masyadong picture-picture doon. Tsaka yung Mekong River, diba, more of activities yung gagawin doon. No? So, yun lang guys muna for now. Okay, kailangan ko na mag-ready. Guys, nandito na ako ngayon sa loob ng bus namin. So, ako pa lang nandito actually guys. So, ang mga kasama ko daw, sabi ni Kuyang tour guide, ay also mga Filipinos. 2 families sila. So, ako lang yung hinalo na nag-iisa na outside their families. Yan, tapos lahat naman Filipino. So, mabilis naman sila kausap. So, pumesto na ako dito sa likod para lahat yung mga dalawang pamilya, dyan na lang sila sa harap. Yan, actually guys, ang ganda nitong shuttle na to, no? As in, shala talaga siya. Kita nyo ba? Yan, super shala. Yun, okay. So, dito ako sa likod para pag mag-vlog ako, hindi nakaka-istorbo sa kanila pag nasa harap ako. Tsaka, para makatulog-tulog tayo dito sa likod. Ayan. So, sabi ni Kuya, tinatanong ko kung anong side yung maganda yung view. Kung dito ba o dito. Pero sabi niya, both naman daw maganda yung view.
Handicapped people, they are the victim of the war. You know, you heard about Agent Orange. Have you heard about that? Agent Orange, that's the herbicide in the world that the American they use in the war.
Guys, anong gagawin ko dito? Nag-start na yung tour nila. Ay, naiiwan ako. It's okay. So, first stop namin, yung mga handicap. Ito, makinig na tayo. Ay, ang galing nila. So nice.
This is eggshell powder. It looks like sand, but it's actually eggshell, and we sprinkle the eggshell powder on top of the picture with lacquer between.
Guys, so ito pala mga to, pinagdodrawing nila dyan. Mga eggshell yan. Nice, ang ganda. This one. Ito yung pinong eggshell siya. Ito, kita mo talaga na parang eggshell. It's so nice. Ayan guys, so sila yung mga gumagawa ng mga handicraft dito, na sila yung mga may kapansanan dahil sa effect nung orange agent na ginamit during Vietnam War. So, isa kasing chemical yun na nagkaroon ng birth defects sa mga tao dito sa Vietnam. Kaya yung iba may mga kapansanan pinanganak. Guys, look, ang galing oh. Yung The Last Supper. Galing. Made of eggshell. Ito naman tiger. Galing. This is so nice. As ito din guys, seashell yan. Gawa siya dito ang klaseng seashell. Galing nito. Oh, so ito siya. Wow. This is so nice. Bili kaya ako nito. Ang ganda. Imagine that. Lahat to mga eggshells. Ang galing nila. Even this one. Look. Ang ganda. So, dito, ito parang siguro finishing nila. Inuhugasan. So, gusto ko sanang bumili. Actually, ang gaganda ng mga gawa nila dito. Ito, dun sa showroom may mga ganyan. Ganyan. Gusto ko sanang bumili. Ang kaso lang, Eh kasi Vietnam pa lang ako, punta pa akong Cambodia, Thailand, bibit-bitin ko pa siya. Doon nagsiship naman sila internationally. Kasi feeling ko lang mahasal ako. Ito yung process. Product process board. So ito yung wood body. Hanggang sa shining. Nandito na kami sa Koshi Tunnel. Guys, by the way, ito yung ano na parang arco. By the way guys, ang pag-pronounce daw doon is Koshi Tunnel. Thank you.
Let's go.
Guys, itong
Any
nakita
question?
niyo sa pala dyan sa baba, yun pala yung ginamit nilang panghukay. Diba, napaka-liit lang yan. Tapos, ito yung mga tunnels. So, 3 levels siya kung mapansin nyo. So, yung dulo niya nakakonect na dun sa Mekong River para dyan sila tatakas. Ayan, napaka-organized nila. Ito naman, patibong nila to nung una. So, pag tumapak ka dyan, so, may tutusok sa'yo dito sa baba ng mga bamboos. Bamboo na patusok yan, guys.
You can see one tunnel entrance here. It's very, very small. We have to lay down and grow. That's why we cannot fit nowadays. Because our body today is very big. Yes. So now if you want, we can sit inside. We can take the photo with the tunnel. And then we come out. Who wanna try?
Take a picture.
You wanna try first?
Alright.
Let's take video for you. Just
Pwede pa video po.
Sino po
okay, they had a technique to go inside. This is down here first. Okay, let's show you how to do it.
Yan yung papasok ng tunnel.
Sit down there, sit down first. Put your leg inside. Yes, stand up.
Po, in fairness, kaya si Kuya.
Okay, and pick up the tunnel cap here.
Oh, yan yun sa picture.
You have to camouflage for the tunnel entrance. Like more camouflage here.
Marami pang
Okay,
space, pero
pick it up.
And,
Trace your arm. Yeah, they had the hand right here. Keep your finger inside. Always trace your arm to close the shoulder.
straight there.
Yes, and sit down slowly, slowly. Watch out your chin.
Oh, nice. So it's like
Slowly, slowly. Very good.
Bye, Kuya.
Yes.
Ay, pero kita.
And when you stand up, your arm go first. Trace your arm first.
O, pero sino yung magtatakot?
Yes.
Dapat ikaw din.
Okay. Perfect.
Nakahinga ka sa loob, kuya?
Oo, pero madilim siya.
Oh.
Pwede mo pa picture.
Yeah, sure.
Picture
Yung picture mo. Ayan, okay, kuya.
Ito naman po.
Pero ang galing
Picture mo
na
lang.
mag-isip.
Picturean niyo. Hindi ko na kaya.
Ayan. Ayan, tanggalin ko.
No, let me give it.
Sorry. Ganito po, this is the way to picture.
Yung sa mga, ano niya, sa mga video.
You.
And
Push.
yes, jump. That's easy with the men. Area. Immediately they will come inside the tunnel right here. They escape to the other place. To shoot them from the other side. Come and you can
Guys,
take
ang
the
liit na
tunnel.
ito. Hindi tayo kakasya dito pag di tayo nagda-diet. Seryoso. No, so nung unang panahon daw talagang hindi masyadong kumakain yung mga Vietnamese para na-maintain nila yung maliit na body build nila para nagkakasya sila sa tunnel para
Because our gorilla
makaligtas sila sa gera.
And the heads around maybe 130 centimeters. Very, very tiny. Yes. That's why it's easy with them, but not us. Except the gonet over there. That's why the students didn't remember the password. So we have our soldier, they always stay around here. Protect them and show them the right way. But here
So guys, ito dati, puro bamboo daw yan, puro puno. Tapos dyan nakatago yung air ventilation nila, no? So ayan, mapakita ko. Ayan, ayan, yan. Yung maliit na hose na yan, PVC na yan. Dyan sila humihinga. I mean, dyan kumukuha ng hangin papasok doon sa loob ng lupa. Imagine the struggle, di ba? Grabe. Guys, so ito naman yung mga bakas ng bomba. Diba? Lalaki, no?
Because inside over there, there's
Guys, grabe, ang laki nito. So ito ang isa sa mga original na tangke na ginamit ng mga Amerikano during the war.
Let's just show you some
Guys, ito naman
kind of
iba't
the
ibang
trap that
ano,
used during
iba't
the war.
ibang uri ng mga trap nung araw. Ayan.
Inside the tunnel or outside the tunnel, in the forest, everywhere. But let's just show you some common here. The sticking trap. When you step there from four sides, it pierces your leg. You see, the enemy they cannot die with this trap, but they have to feel the painful. Okay, yes. And from four sides. And the arm the trap, when you fall down, you will try to stretch your hand and hold something. When you stretch your hand to the side, it will stick to your roll down there, it's rolling your body, it rush your body from two sides. You have to feel the painful here. Always. Open the window and it's break. Like that.
Folding chair.
And the fish trap, when you step in here, you will get stuck. You want to take it out. And from the top, 8 by the camera block. Step one more time together. So you cannot take it out. You carry the whole trap. Yeah, it's like this. It's similar with the first one we see, but it's damage your body from the top, from the shoulder, from the head. And the last one here, let's show you. Walk here. The trap, you can find this trap everywhere in the local house. Because at the time, Americans, when they go inside the local house, they will kick the door to go inside. When they kick the door, the trap from the top, they will rolling to their body. But the question is why they have two bars. Because after a few times, they realize about the door trap. So they use their hand or their gun to block the trap right here. And then they will be safe. And so we add one more bar, when it's locked here, it will keep rolling through their body. Yeah, that's how it works here. And sometimes they use something to cover.
Dito naman guys, pinapakita dito kung paano gumagawa ng armas yung mga Vietnamese noong araw. Ayan, so ang cute ng mga ano, mga parang statue nila dito. Guys, hindi tao yan ha. Laruan lang yan. Nagde-demonstrate. Ayan si ate. So work hard guys. They also have here the souvenir. Oh, nag-freakill yung light pala. Kapag. So yung mga souvenirs din sila dito. Look! Barilan na. Ayan, dito si ate gumagawa siya ng wrapper na gawa sa rice, no? So napaka-cool dito guys kasi pinapakita kung ano talaga yung kinakain ng mga sundalo before. No, tapos dito sa kabila, check natin. Ayan, no. So dito sa ate yung pinapakita kung paano nagmamanual na gilingan ng bigas noong araw.
Do you remember the road I told you before? Walk without footprint. So normally you wear the sandal by this way, right? Yeah. And then the footprint will follow your step. But here they wear by the other side, by this way. And then the footprint will opposite with the step. And even the footprint here is also the opposite. They make a lot of footprint here. When one team, from 5 to 10 people, they walk at the same time. They make a lot of footprint together. To make any confused, where is the right footprint, where is the fake footprint.
Guys, bababa kami dito sa tunnel na to para ma-experience natin.
Hello. No one there. Enjoy your trip.
Okay, so we're going down. Malawag naman pala guys.
Yeah, ito daw yung for tourists na kasha tayo. It's different from the actual bonuses that they would use. Here.
Oops. Kayang-kaya. Kayang-kaya naman pala. Yeah.
So this is a way out, 20 meters. You want to keep going or you want to go out?
Came out.
Out, okay.
this way.
This way.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go out. And
Hello.
okay, yan ang labas. Ayan, baba tayo dito. Okay, so ito may ano pa siya, papunta sa level 2. And then guys, dito pala tayo guys sa parang hospital nila, sa gamutan nila kapag may nagkakasakit o kaya nasusugatan mga sundalo. So dito nila ginagamot. Ganito yung itsura nun sa baba. Yan, so another tunnel, tapos may mga cabinet. Let's go to the kitchen. Wow, talagang may apoy dito. Baka may tunnel pa dito. Sus dito sila kakain. Grabe. Diba yan yung kitchen? So yung usok, dapat lumabas siya. So dito siya lumalabas. Yan, so syempre dapat hindi maipon sa ilalim ang usok. Guys, this one naman is tapioca. So yan lang kinakain ng mga Vietnamese to maintain their feet para kasya sila sa tunnel. Yan, so kakain din kami. Guys, that's it for today. So see you sa part 2 ng vlog na to, which is sa Bicong River. Ayan, bye guys! See you again sa next vlog.